Okay, so we are going to compare decimals now with our less than, greater than, or equal sign. Remember, boys and girls, that when you read these inequality signs, you read them left to right. So if the less than sign is on the left, this is less than. If it's facing the left, again, left to right, the greater than is opened. And then, of course, equal is obvious. You can think about the little alligator mouth. He obviously wants to eat the bigger number, so that can help you remember which one is less than and greater than. So if we're looking at our decimals, again, I'm going to use the money method because that's really what I teach you guys mostly. So you're going to look at this and say, okay, how much money is this? Well, this is $5.62, and that 3 is not going to change that 2. This is $5.62, but there's nothing in the thousandths place. Well, if the number is exactly the same, but this has a 3 in the thousandths and this has nothing, well, obviously a little bit in our thousandths is going to be more than nothing. So this is going to be greater than our 5 6200ths. So we're looking at this. This is $256.94. This is $25.69. That 4 is not going to change our 9. So if we're thinking money, again, if you guys want to write it underneath just to help you see it more in a manner that is more obvious to you as far as money is concerned. We got $256 and $25. So which one's greater? Obviously, $256 is greater than $25. So down here we have $35.06. We have $35.06, but we have an 8 in the thousandths. Is that 8 going to change that 6? Yes, it's going to change it to a 7. Even if we don't round it, we have exactly the same number again, just like we did up here, except for this time we have an 8 in the thousandths, and we have nothing in the thousandths over here. So even if we weren't rounding, this still has a little bit more value because it has a number, okay? So this time, our greater than sign is going to go here. And again, if we rounded, remember we underline the place value that we're rounding to. We circle the number next to it. Does that 8 change that 6? Yes, it changes it to a 7. Okay, so that one's going to be greater than. Okay, so over here we have 73 cents and, $73.90. Is that 8 going to change that 0? Yes, to a 1. So if we rounded this, it's going to be $73.91. Okay, over here, this is $73 and what? And 98 cents. Okay, so even if we were just looking at, even if we just covered up the thousandths and we were looking at just what we have $73.90 and we have $73.98. So obviously that's going to be our greater number. Okay, so looking down here, I have a 2 in the ones. I've got my decimal, I've got 7 in my tenths, I've got 8 in my hundredths, so this is $2.78. This is also $2.78, and I have a 0 in my thousandths. Well, is 0 going to add any more value to my number? No. So even if we looked at both of these just like money, we have exactly the same number. The only difference is this has nothing in the thousandths place, and nothing obviously doesn't add any value. So those two numbers are going to be equivalent. And that's how we compare decimals with our inequality signs.